Ever found yourself traveling in Southeast Asia, fumbling with cash or struggling to figure out local payment apps? It's a common travel frustration, especially in a region as vibrant and digitally savvy as Southeast Asia. One name that often pops up in conversations about digital payments there is Grabpay. But the big question is, where exactly can you use it? Is it that universal solution you've been hoping for? That's what we're diving into today. Grab has become a household name in Southeast Asia, evolving from a ride-hailing app to a super app offering a wide range of services, including its own digital wallet, Grabpay. It's integrated into the Grab ecosystem, making it incredibly convenient for paying for rides, food delivery, and even in-store purchases. But its availability isn't uniform across the region. So, let's break down where you can actually use Grabpay. First, let's talk about the core markets. Grabpay is most widely available in Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, the Philippines, and Myanmar. These are the countries where Grab has a significant presence and where Grabpay is deeply integrated into daily life. Think bustling hawker centers in Singapore, vibrant markets in Thailand, or the ubiquitous street food stalls in Vietnam. Grabpay is likely to be an option. Now, within these countries, the availability of Grabpay can vary slightly. In major cities like Bangkok, Jakarta, or Kuala Lumpur, you'll find widespread acceptance, from small shops to large retail chains. However, in more rural areas, cash might still be king. It's always a good idea to have some local currency on hand as a backup, especially if you're venturing off the beaten path. One thing to keep in mind is that Grabpay's functionality can differ slightly from country to country. While the core features like in-app payments and peer-to-peer transfers are generally consistent, specific services and partnerships might vary. For example, the range of merchants accepting Grabpay for in-store purchases might differ between Singapore and Vietnam. Another important point, while Grabpay is a fantastic tool for those living in or frequently traveling to Southeast Asia, it's not designed to be a global payment solution. You won't be able to use Grabpay in, say, Europe or North America. It's very much focused on the Southeast Asian market. So, if you're planning a trip to any of the major Southeast Asian countries we mentioned, setting up Grabpay can be a game changer. It streamlines your transactions, often offers exclusive deals and promotions, and eliminates the hassle of dealing with constantly changing exchange rates. It's definitely worth exploring if you want to experience the convenience of digital payments in this dynamic region. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.